Hi, I'm Joe with WTI, and many people have Apple Watches, which I love, but they're not the most attractive. So what I love is all these Apple Watch bands and all these variety of colors, so I can actually match it with my outfit. So as you can see, all these beautiful colors, wide range, that would go with a lot of different outfits, and it's so easy to apply or put on. So as you can see, I'm going to take my white ones off, and in the back there's like a little button, and then here you go. You can see my little, I'm just slipping it right on, just like that, and then the bottom one, just like that, boom. And there you go. You clip it on. Has a lot of holes that you can use. And I really love it. I love all of them. So I'm really happy with this product, and I've gotten a lot of compliments about these colors, and I think you'll really like it too. And that is my point of view.